September 11, 2022, the Moon and Jupiter can be seen together throughout the night. Mars continues its eastward march with Taurus. Use a binocular to see it in the constellation's rich starfields. 2020, December 3, 1 hour before sunrise, the bright gibbous moon is over 30 degrees in altitude in the west. It is near central Gemini beneath the Twins, Castor, and Pollux. By Jeffrey L. Hunt. Chicago, Illinois, sunrise, 6:27 a.m. CDT, sunset, 7:07 p.m. CDT. Check local sources for sunrise and sunset times for your location. This evening, the moon rises just 23 minutes later than it did last night. This is from the angle the solar system makes with the eastern horizon, from mid-northern latitudes. This is known as the harvest moon effect. This evening the moon rises nearly an hour after sundown. The effect can be seen at any moon phase, when the origin point of the celestial coordinate system is near the eastern horizon, and the moon is near it. It is pronounced with the full phase and the public's annual interest in the harvest moon. Here are the planet highlights for today. Morning sky. Chart caption, 2022, September 11th, during morning twilight, the bright moon is below Jupiter. 1 day after the full moon phase, the lunar orb, 99% illuminated, is low in the west-southwest, nearly 5 degrees below Jupiter at 1 hour before sunrise. The Jovian giant is retrograding in Pisces. This effect is an illusion as Earth catches and passes between the distant planet and the Sun, known as opposition. Jupiter's opposition is on the 26th. It rises shortly after sunset and it is above the horizon nearly all night. For those sky watchers with telescopes, Jupiter's great red spot is in the center of the planet in the southern hemisphere at about 2:30 a.m. CDT. The long-lived atmospheric disturbance is visible about 50 minutes before and after the central appearance. Chart caption, 2022, September 11th, Mars is high in the south-southeast with Taurus before sunrise. Farther eastward, Mars continues its eastward march through the bright starfields of Taurus. Find it high in the south-southeast about an hour before sunup. It is to the upper left of Aldebaran and the Hyades star cluster. With the bright moon, the dimmer stars are likely washed out by the bright moonlight. Use a binocular for an optical assist. Chart caption, 2022, September 11th, in a binocular field of view, Mars approaches Tau Tauri, Tau Tau. It is generally moving toward the star Tau Tauri, Tau Tau on the chart, passing it tomorrow morning. Use a binocular to place Epsilon Tauri, Epsilon Tau, in the lower right portion of the field of view. This star is at the top of the V of Taurus, opposition Aldebaran. Tau and Mars are to the upper left of Epsilon. After Mars passes Tau, the planet moves toward the bull's horns, Elnath and Zeta Tauri. The red planet passes between them 3 times during the next half year. The first occurs October 17th, before the planet retrogrades. The second occurs November 13th during Mars retrograde. On March 11, 2023, Mars passes between the stars for the 3rd time after its December 7th opposition. Are you missing Venus? The morning star rises less than an hour before sunrise. By 35 minutes before daybreak, it is only 3 degrees above the eastern horizon. Evening sky. Chart caption, 2022, September 11th, the bright moon is near Jupiter in the eastern sky, while Saturn is above the southeastern horizon. 90 minutes after sunset, the bright moon, 96% illuminated, is low in the eastern sky, 6.1 degrees to the lower left of Jupiter. Saturn is higher in the sky, over 20 degrees up in the southeast. This planet is retrograding in eastern Capricornus. It was at opposition about a month ago.